Roll though, I'm gonna ride.
It made a hit, but it made a hit. And Texas is, I guess, bigger than anything else because it gets the country and hip hop together. Because you got country music with some bang in it. But anyway, here we are with Real Car. We're doing, like we said, we'd be trying different things out. So we like where we're at, but we're doing some changes. Like I said, we're gonna tune it. Once we get what we want exactly, then we'll fully build it custom out. So I'm going from a 2K amp, I'm gonna give it a 3K amp. Allow me to run a little more efficient, throw some power, more power into it without overwhelming the amplifier for the output. And we're gonna go and try that out, let it play for a while, see how it goes, and make sure everything's going good. So we can get this car ready for the show, which is gonna be for the Dub Car Show. We're trying to do something exaggerated, something different, something completely unique, something that has not been done, and make it something truthfully amazing that you guys, the followers, be able to actually see the build that we're building it. When we start taking the car apart, you know, when we start building what we're gonna build. On the other videos you've seen the red car, which is the Corolla for y'all that have been paying attention. It's exaggeratedly loud. Just so you guys know, about 2 months ago there was a car show in Ennis. It was actually a drag meet. The DJ sent the police officers over to us and told us to shut off the car because the car was louder than the DJ at the event. And that's stupid loud, right? But we want to actually accomplish that too. So we're gonna be able to get this vehicle here. We're gonna be building out the doors, we're gonna be building out some panels. We're gonna do something a little on the wild side with it, but I guarantee you, not only are you gonna see the car coming, because you know this car is completely unique, but you'll be able to hear the car coming and still be able to lower the volume and enjoy your music. So today we got our guy, one of our techs here, his name is Adolfo. He's actually doing a swap right now for me, performing it for me. We're gonna switch it out to that Nemesis 3K because we're gonna be able to get a little more RMS power, a little more efficient, not get so warm, and more efficiency, right? We have a 5-volt pre-out on back of the unit, and for you guys that do not know, when you see an amplifier, gain is not really gain. People think gain is volume, it's not. Gain is actually you matching the output of the radio. So basic radios have 2.5 watts or 1 watt of power. You know, you get the 5 and so on. So we got 5 volts. I'm sorry, volts, not watts. But with the module we have, in fact, it has a 5-volt output. So we're gonna make it match. I found that with the 2K, I was having to raise up a little bit more to be able to get some of the output that we were looking for. So I decided to go to a 3K, which the sub will handle no problem. But to be able to match everything, because we don't have no clipping, no overheating, and so on. So we're in the process of doing that right now. We should have it done within the next maybe 5 Puerto Rican minutes. And for y'all that don't know, Puerto Rican minutes is color people time. We just like y'all. We just know how to swim from the day we're born. That's the only difference, y'all. But we're gonna get this going here and get this situated. And we want to thank y'all today, truthfully, for the support. We've seen some people coming in here, man, and they're coming from the videos and they're happy. We've had some people, you know, showing great support. So I'm gonna tell you again 1,000 times, guys, 1,000 subscribers is the goal. We have everybody writing to us about this giveaway. The giveaway is already here. We're gonna put it together. We want to get to 1,000 subscribers. Remember, we're giving away over $1,000. So I think it's fair, $1 per subscriber to get it going. We're gonna be doing more than that. But 1,000 subscribers, you got to get my video, you got to get Real's video, you got to share them, comments on them. We got to know we're going to actually be doing a raffle ball. So I'm going to be actually getting a big bowl, random, and we're going to have somebody else just come and grab a number, and whoever that number is, so if you were, let's say subscriber number 272, just say an example, when 272 comes out, that is your gift that you're going to receive. But we're probably going to be doing a second and third place also, just to want to show you guys support. What we're doing, we want to take this to be bigger. We're going to be, we're planning and putting things together right now, working with the city of Irving and the school district to see if we can put a good show together. But anyway, getting with the city of Irving to bring a show here together. We want to bring something a little bit unique. We want to bring something where we can have people with everyday cars come by and show off what you have. Then we want to have another area for true show cars. We want to have a place for exotics. We want to do an SPL bass competition show and also open show, which is what the Corolla is. When you have all the speakers in your trunk and your door panels, that's called open show. We're gonna do it where we're gonna be giving away prizes. It could be monetary or money. It could be money we're gonna be giving away, so first places and so on. We want to get involved, and we're trying to get involved with the Children's Medical Center. We're reaching out to certain contacts, and I think it'd be a great event, guys. If we could do something for those kids that ain't that fortunate, that can't go out and enjoy what me and you get to do on a day-to-day basis. So we want to see if we can get there. We have a transportation company we've spoken with. They've already volunteered. They got multiple vans. They volunteered to use the vans, pick up these kids. These are, it's a company that we deal with called Priority. What they are is Arthur, if you guys don't know him, but he's going to be able to put things together where we can transport kids with handicaps and kids with wheelchairs and situations, oxygen tanks. We want to get those kids and bring them and have them with the meet and greet. So we're going to be talking with other YouTubers. We're going to be doing a lot of invites. We know Real to Real going to be there. We're going to have other ones though, because I think it'd be a great event. Before we go back to school, we actually have, for the people who ain't so fortunate, give away some backpacks with some school supplies. Maybe get some barbershops involved, so we're doing some haircuts. Do just something for the community. In reality, we could do everything that we do, but without you guys, the community, we don't have nothing, but we're blessed. But there are also people who ain't as blessed as we are, that we can move and do what we had to do. The people who woke up this morning, guys, and said they were going to be going to Whip Fest, and on the way getting up this morning, washing up their car, had a car accident, and no longer could walk, or lost their lives, or the mother who lost a child, or the wife who lost a husband, or the child who lost a father, or the parents who lost a child. There's a lot of things going on in this world. We want to make sure we take advantage of everything that happens, right, guys? We got to be grateful for what we do. So this event, we're going to be planning and putting it together. We want to have the meet and greet to YouTube. We just want to do something for you guys, something we can all come together, commingle, have a great time, and basically get back to you guys. So we want to thank y'all for the videos, definitely for the support you guys are giving us in this moment. It's something that's been outrageous. I've had people write to me all comments. Last night, I want y'all to know I'm new to the YouTube thing, right?
I had to put them on game.
But my boy Rell told me, Jeff, you know what, you need to reply to the comments, and I was trying to figure it out. I didn't know that there was an app for that.
Yeah.
So he told me, Jeff, and I would see the comments like, man, how do I figure it out? But it won't let me do it from the regular YouTube app. So he told me, Jeff, this is the app. So I got that last night. We took the time to reply to you guys. Truthfully, can't even tell you, I've had kids. Motivational, man. I'll be honest with you, I am so motivated that I got kids that, a 14-year-old guy, look at my comments, you'll see a 14-year-old kid is not a guy, he's a kid. He's already involved in car stereos. Talk about how he's doing with the, his friends, and he wants to get involved, and how he's inspired to be in this industry. And I'm gonna tell you, come truthfully, guys, I don't work a day in my life. Not one day. Because there's not one day that I come to work that I can truthfully say that I don't enjoy what I do. Guys, I love what I do. I love playing with the cars. I love doing it. This is like having the biggest set of Hot Wheels you can ever have, and just enjoying and doing things.
Bringing them to life.
I love what I do. But to see other people passionate about it too, and write to me in these comments and say, listen, I'm 14 years old, what can I do? I wrote to him, I said, listen, you got my shop number. If you need support, I want you guys to know. One thing is giving away stuff for free. Let's get that one right. But if it's for the support of helping somebody who's trying to get in the game, we all about helping you. I mean, regardless if it's even with YouTube or if it has to do with the car game, we want you guys to know that we're here to support you guys in whatever we got to do. And him commenting to me yesterday had me on a whole nother level of emotion, because this kid is 14 years old, real 14 years old.
That same kid DM'd me and was telling me the whole situation.
Years old, and I was so...
He was like, he been doing it for some time. I think him and his dad or something like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then he said he was doing something with a car, and now he doing it professionally at 14.
At 14 years old, and he ever was on a bike, and I told him, listen.
He said he got shocked a couple times or something too.
Yeah, believe me, you don't want to talk. Listen, one of the worst shocks that I've ever felt in my life, dealing with 12 volt. I'm not scared of touching the battery side to side. Like,
What?
I'm not scared.
No, hold on now. Don't do it.
Nothing doesn't do nothing to me, and it really won't do nothing to you. I mean, it can a little tingle sometimes, but that's it. The worst shock I've ever had in my life was HID kits, man. Or the
HIV kits?
HID. You can get HIV for free on Air Ride, but you're not gonna get in. The HID kits, I was doing an install on the car, and I forgot to plug in the bulb when I plugged in the power supply, and I had to switch on. So me having the thing, that was my God, that was the biggest shock I think I've had ever in my life. In fact, from that day forward, I learned to respect HIDs, and HIV I just never respected. That, but HIDs, and that was the hardest shock I had.
And you catch them right in action with a customer.
So long story short, that inspired me yesterday, and this is kind of why I decided to do this. I've had people reaching out to me. There can be a lot of positive talks in this. There can be a lot of growing and all that. You need help, my brother? Can you get that? Yes, sir. See, y'all can't say that I don't work, because I mean, if y'all don't see me, I'm always working, and that's what I do.
Him just picking this amp up was his full days of work.
That's a job today.
That's a full day's work.
It's a beautiful day outside. It's actually gorgeous. The sun's coming out.
We ain't went nowhere. I'm supposed to be at Will Fest. You supposed to be somewhere.
I'm supposed to be somewhere.
And look what we doing, working.
But you know what happened? The thing is that we never stop working, because we have to serve our people, serve our community, serve our customers, and do what we have to do. We also got family. Guys, we got wife. If you got a wife, you guys understand. That's an expense. We're gonna be talking about that too, because in reality, I want to bring the men something that sometimes we don't think about. But if you're a married man out there today and you're hearing these words, I want you to know you can agree with me that it's kind of hard to be a married man, and not because we want to fail our women, but because of the way that it's temptation. I'm gonna just take it and shrink it down 2 seconds. A woman who knows that you're a married man, you see, when you got this thing called the keg, this is a love machine. This is the tank of a love-making machine. This is experience here, right?
I'm gonna say that's the married good.
This is the married good. But when a woman, and I want you to tell me this, have you ever thought about it, how that really makes you a target? Because when a woman, you see, we talk about women being gold diggers, and they do exist. But I'm gonna tell you about this. But there's also women who've had bad experiences with broke men. When I say broke man, means a man who does not really a man. Yeah. A man who decides that he don't want to wake up and go to work today. He doesn't know what it's like to work hard to keep a light bill going. He doesn't know what it's like to have a car payment and to have a steady job to make sure he has a roof for his home and to always have food and to be able to buy clothes. And when a woman comes at you sideways, it's not that sometimes she's really a gold digger, it's that she wants a man that's responsible. Yeah. So now that makes us married men a moving target, because now when they look at you, they know that you're married, they see that you
they see some, together,
they say, damn, I really wish I had that. That man knows how to work. That man keeps electricity on that home.
Exactly.
He keeps food. He does, you know, and then it makes us married men a target, because now the women are attracted to you, not maybe for something what you look, but what you can provide, because they got tired of playing with boys. So that's the thing we're going to be talking about one day, is to you married men, why is it so hard for us to be married men? But you know what I'm saying, in reality, it's not that hard. Keep your respect to yourself, keep your respect to your wife, and everything's going to be all right. Reality, don't let Eve, and I'm going to tell you right now, if we go biblical, which I don't like to preach every day, I want to tell you, if we go biblical, why did Adam fail? Eve. Why did King David, one of the biggest sins King David had? And Bathsheba. The guy that we know, the company will call him Hercules, Samson, his name is Samson. How did he fall? A woman named Delilah. If we don't pick up what the Bible is telling you, our biggest downfall is a woman. See, God made man, but he truthfully formed the woman. They got a lot more of everything else.
Everything that you need.
God took that time to build them. And when the process of building them, now we have a big attraction. I'm going to end with this joke. So he comes and Adam comes to God and says, God, why did you make woman so beautiful? God, when Eve come walking by, I mean, you know, you made her so beautiful, and we could all relate, women are beautiful. Why did you make them so beautiful? And God says, you know what? That's very easy. So you would love them. He says, wow, that makes an understanding, because that's something that we're attracted to, that we love. I understand that. But then God, I got another question for you. You made them so beautiful, but yet you made them so stupid. Why did you make women so stupid? And God answers Adam and said, you know why? So they would love you.
Y'all done? He done hooked this thing up.
Fucking amp is hot.
Man. Well, got over 3,000 watts on the front and back now.
All right, guys, so this is where we at. We just got finished wrapping up the vehicle. We upgraded to the 3K, a little more efficiency. We're gonna let him go and play with that for a few days, see if he liked what it is, if he liked what it sounded like, and we just want to get it tuned and tweaked to where we make it where he's happy. And once he's happy, then we all happy, right? Because that's real. But we just got finished getting it here. We want to thank y'all for watching this today. I ask you guys to please subscribe. It's important. We have the giveaway. We need 1,000 subscribers. Last time I checked, we're close to 400. We're only 600 more away. We're giving away over $1,000 in musical equipment, Nemesis Audios, MB2, 3K Amplifier, Pro Box, Amp-Kit, everything, the whole setup for your car. We're gonna be giving away, but we need 1,000 subscribers. So you gotta get to Real's channel. It's gonna be R-I-E-L.
R-E-L-L.
Let's go here.
No, that's wrong.
Okay. So
R-E-L-L. Real to real.
Okay. So we're gonna be, you gotta subscribe, start boom boom boom. We're gonna edit it and bring it to here. So you have to get to Real's channel. That's R-E-E-L-T-O-R-E.
R-E-E-L. Bro, don't even say my name.
Edit it, right here. You gotta get to it. It's R-E-L-L-T-O-R-E-A-L. Find him on YouTube, like him, share him. You can find us, it's _AUDIO space C-A-T, spells HELLCAT. You gotta subscribe, guys, share it out there, comment, find us on Instagram, find us on YouTube, and share it out to your friends. And not only just this giveaway, we're gonna have many more, but we wanna tell you guys, we need your support. We definitely depend on you guys. We wanna bring great things to you guys. We ask you to please subscribe to this, share it out with your friends and family. We want to thank you for watching this video today. You have a great day. God bless you. Amen.